Precision in design, relay each line with...
Welcome back! In this video, I'll show you how to add a 3D viewer link to your layout to share with clients. With our model saved and uploaded to the Chief Architect 3D Viewer Cloud, the next step is to make it public. Click Make Public and then Share to generate the model link. Once you've copied the link, we're ready to embed it into the layout file. I've already prepared a text box in our template, but these steps work just as well if you're creating a new rich text element. Start by opening the text box and selecting it. On the top toolbar, click the Insert Hyperlink button. In the dialog box that appears, paste the 3D viewer link into the hyperlink field and click OK to apply it. I like to make the entire text clickable while maintaining a clean appearance. To do this, I modify the display text to show the project name on the bottom line. Then I select the upper lines of text, remove the underline, and change the color to black for a polished, professional look. To make printed plans more user-friendly, we've started incorporating QR codes that clients can scan. You can generate a QR code using any online tool and download the image. Simply drag and drop the image into the layout file from your File Explorer and check the Save in Plan option to ensure the image stays embedded in the layout when opened on other computers. Scale the QR code to fit the layout and suppress the label for a clean presentation. With the hyperlink and QR code in place, we can print the plans as a PDF and test the link. Let's open up the PDF, click the link, and watch as the 3D viewer loads. Thank you for watching! I hope these tips help you create more accessible and client-friendly 3D viewer models. See you next time!